All-American Marine's known to be on the cutting edge of the industry, and it's someplace that we want to stay for years to come.
So in my background, I've built a lot of offshore supply vessels and tugboats. This is completely different. The performance and the speed of the vessel is truly amazing.
At first it was the boats, and now it's definitely the culture. The boats kind of sucked me in, and now it's the culture. It's the people I get to work with. There's a great team. We weld and fabricate, we do systems, we do electrical, we do it all, and we do it in-house. And in that, you get to work with a great team of people.
Like, not trying to be cliche, but I love the guys. I've worked in a lot of shops, been a lot of places, and I've been here and anchored here, and I'm going to be anchored here for a long time. It is a hard job to do this, but when you got a good team around you, that is the coolest thing.
At this company, you're actually able to move up. There's not a lot of places that are willing to invest in training people, and let you move up in a company.
Whether it's welding or the systems department or interiors, if I'm curious about something, someone is more than willing to explain it, and I've already learned so much with my time being here.
It's a 4-10 schedule, and I've never had that before, but it's so much better than, 5-day work week in my opinion.
I hunt, I golf. Working 410s gives me the ability to, plan a weekend.
My wife and I, we get out, we go hiking. There's restaurants, there's a lot that this area offers.
Your family comes first here. We got a new baby on the way, and they've been extremely understanding and very supportive. If you put the hard work in, this company will recognize you, and they're very lenient and really cool. That's huge. That's huge when you work anywhere.
And everybody knows each other, everybody's got a great attitude, and I think the company goes out of its way to keep it that way.
At All-American Marine, we're really looking for the next generation of employees, and we're looking for people who want to grow with our company, folks that want to join in our mission to create the most technologically advanced vessels on the market.